An attempt by the United States to open the Strait of Hormuz by force has failed after a fierce response from Iran's side. The attempt began on May 3rd with President Donald Trump announcing that the U.S. will be making an effort to guide stranded ships out of the strategic waterway, a choke point for around 20% of global oil and liquefied natural gas. In line with Trump's plan, the U.S. Central Command launched Project Freedom to restore freedom of navigation through the Strait of Hormuz the very next day. The Iranian response came within hours. The Islamic Republic fired cruise missiles, rockets, and combat drones near American warships crossing the Strait of Hormuz as a warning. CENTCOM denied that any warship was struck. Iran also renewed its strikes against the UAE on the same day, May 4th. The Islamic Republic fired 12 ballistic missiles, 3 cruise missiles, and 4 drones at the Gulf country, according to the Emirate Defense Ministry. The Fujairah oil industry zone was hit. 3 workers were wounded there. 3 commercial vessels, including a tanker owned by the Abu Dhabi National Oil Company, were also targeted by Iran close to the UAE. Amid these attacks, CENTCOM announced that 2 U.S.-flagged commercial vessels had successfully transited through the waterway. This was denied by Iran, however. Later on May 4th, the command said that its helicopters had struck 6 Iranian small boats. Trump, from his side, claimed that 7 boats were actually hit. The very next day, Iran struck a cargo ship belonging to the French shipping giant CMA-CGM near the Strait of Hormuz. The strike caused damage and injured 8 crew members. Surprisingly, Trump announced later on May 5th that Operation Project Freedom will be paused due to progress made in talks toward a permanent ceasefire with Iran. Soon after, it was reported that the U.S. is nearing a 1-page memorandum of understanding with Iran to end the war and lay out a framework for talks on the Islamic Republic's nuclear program. Despite the reported progress, Iran shot down an American combat drone over Qeshm Island on May 6th. CENTCOM also announced that an American fighter jet attacked an Iranian-flagged unladen oil tanker that attempted to sail toward an Iranian port. Trump has reportedly given Iran 1 week to reach an understanding. The Islamic Republic will not likely submit easily. A deal remains highly unlikely, mainly due to the complete lack of trust between the 2 countries. The ongoing U.S. military buildup near Iran suggests that a return to war sometime later this month is the most likely scenario.